Want to add an Amazon affiliate link to your Shopify store? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create your affiliate link and add it to Shopify step by step. First, log in to your Amazon Associates account. Find the Amazon product you want to promote. Once you have the product, use the SiteStripe toolbar at the top of Amazon and select Get Link. Choose the text option and copy your affiliate link. Now, open your Shopify admin. Go to Online Store and open the page where you want to place the link. You can add the link to text, a button, or another clickable element on your store. For example, if you have a product recommendation page, you could add a button that says View on Amazon. Select the text or button, click the link option, and paste your Amazon Associates link. Save your changes and preview the page. Now click the button yourself to make sure it sends visitors to the correct Amazon product. One important thing: don't replace your Amazon affiliate link with a normal Amazon URL after adding it. Your Associates Tracking ID needs to remain in the link so eligible purchases can be attributed to your account. You should also clearly disclose that the link is an affiliate link. For example, you can add a short notice such as, "This post contains affiliate links. We may earn a commission if you make a purchase through these links." Also make sure your Shopify store and affiliate content follow both Amazon Associates rules and Shopify's policies. And that's it. You've now added an Amazon affiliate link to your Shopify store. Remember, Shopify is simply displaying the link. The actual affiliate tracking and commission are handled through your Amazon Associates account. If this tutorial helped you, like the video, subscribe, and check out our other affiliate marketing tutorials.